Right now guys, it is going to be a boring video as I said before. It's going to be a very dull video, but again, sometimes a boring video sometimes works better than in a long really dull video. Depends on what you're filming on or your content's going to be based on. Have I ever filmed with John's old cameras? No, I haven't. I mean, they're lovely cameras, but have I ever used it? No, I haven't. I have never ever used this camera. I mean, it looks like a monster camera, but I mean, to be honest, I like the idea of getting a camera that's got this sort of system on it where you've got a wider lens, but it's not so much for basically it's suitable for close-ups, but it's not so good for very close, well, you know, very far away because it just blurs. So right now all I can see is a smudge on the lens. And do you know what that is? I can see inside the lens. It's like a spider leg. Which I know the fact of that is something that can happen on a camera that hasn't been used in a very, very long time. That things can happen like that. Old cameras. I might get a new camera too before I move out because it's still organised for. It would be nice to film on a brand new camera instead of the old second-hand cameras I've been using with my mum, because you know it's cheaper that way at the moment, and she doesn't use these cameras, so I mean she doesn't mind me filming with them, but there we go. A lot of this stuff is going to rubbish, I have to be honest. A lot of it's going to bin, because all this pretty much is, well, the bin. It's kind of for the bin pile. So where do I put the bin stuff? Well, the bin stuff is going in this bag. I think it's going to go in that bag. So that one's going. Cardboard. So I might put cardboard might come out or something. Maybe a meal or something. Got a DVD. Very old London bus. Some clothes stuff down there. About records and CDs and etc. Well, again, all this stuff will get sorted later on. I have noticed I like talking a lot. Not really bad to talk, but some people just find it a little bit too much at times. Me talking constantly. Kind of understand that. But I love talking in this video because it's just tidying and there's nothing really much going on otherwise. So yes, I know it might be a tedious episode for you guys for this evening, but that's about. Oops. Get that sorted out. Seems to be improving. Now I've got all this mess to deal with. So let's see what we can do with this section. So let's see everything together. We've got a clock, which I literally have no idea if it works, to be honest. I don't know if the clock even works. Because this thing just goes loose, and I don't know if section has been done yet, but we'll have to see when it's working. If it's not working, then it's just a waste of time to try doing that, and then it's not going to work. Anyway, how you guys have been with this nice sunny weather we've been having again lately? Let me know in the comments below. I'll tell you something, since the sunny weather's come back for a short time again, it seemed to be, I'm taking the opportunity to get out as much as possible before winter, because in the winter time I'm not keen on going out in the cold. But I'll still do it because I still need to go on my independence. Even in the height of winter, I still need to go out and do my walking. Can't be at home all the time. 2 days a week is more than enough. But you know, when you're actually physically at home, not going out at all, that's what I mean by actually going out. Going out means you actually get out of the house. Doesn't mean it has to be the whole day, but even half an hour is enough for some people, someone like me. So, yeah. So what's going to happen? At the moment, I just got lots of coal and gravel on my hands. So I'm going to try to find a bag I can put this stuff into. I don't know if this works. I don't know what this thing is, but it's been in a black bag for a while. What is that? Got a kind of white sheet with that. And this is quite a big old bag too. Let's put this over the bag. There we go. I'm going to put that over there, and what I'm going to end up doing is trying to get a big handful of this mess down here. There's a pair of pants down here. Gross. I'm just saying that because it's my mum's pants and I don't like touching people's underwear. Oh. It's up my own. Hey, Thomas the Tank. I still love Thomas the Tank. It's the stuff I've grown up with when I was a kid, and that's how it got me into trains. Model and toy trains from back in the day. And you usually don't know what I'm talking about, guys, for those who are new to the channel. Basically, way back, a long way back, when I was very young, it was very different to when I got into trains, because when I first had a train set, it wasn't a model train, it was actually a toy train. and that was actually balmy when that happened. Half the mess has gone on the floor. This is the trouble when you've got you're liable to expecting no one else to do this helping you out. But everything to learn. Just learn all this sort of stuff.